In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a coupon on Square. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your dashboard, then you want to go to the left over here and click on Customers, and then from here, you want to go into Marketing. Inside Marketing, if you scroll down, you'll find Coupons over here about in the middle, so you want to click on Coupons, and then from here, you can click on Create Coupon. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to load up this thing over here, which is called Design Coupon, and here you can give it a name. So for example, I'm going to name this one Summer Sale 20 like this. It's going to be a 20% discount for, of course, summer. So again, summer sale. Of course, you can put in whatever you want. And then here you can do either a fixed discount, you could do a percentage off, or you could do free. So I'm going to do percentage off over here, and it's going to be 20%. Of course, you can do other amount as well if you want to. Now, whenever you do this, you want to do the maximum value. So as you can see here, it's redeemable only in store if maximum value is set. So I'm going to make maximum value $100 over here, even though of course you can leave this empty and it's going to be there's going to be no maximum value. Then here you can select what this applies to, so either entire sale, category, or specific item. Of course you can then select your item. I'm just going to do entire sale, and then here there's the conditions, so you can limit the number of times customers can use coupons. You could go ahead and limit number of times coupon can be redeemed, and you can also limit the sales over a certain amount. So I'm going to limit the sales over a certain amount, and I'm going to do 100. Okay, so whenever you do this, you can go to description over here and you can basically type it in. So here by default, it says get 20% off the next time you visit. I'm going to just type in for our summer sale, okay, like this for example, and then you can do the active dates. I'm just going to leave it from let's just do, actually I'm going to change it from, I'm going to do it from June 14th, and then the end date is going to be, let's just do August 14th, okay, just like a random date, but that's going to work. Then here of course you can click on activate up top right, and whenever you do this, it's going to activate your coupon, and that's really all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.